Automation sounds intimidating. Big systems, complex tools, endless code, so most people assume it's something only programmers can understand. Our brain imagines screens filled with confusing commands, tangled diagrams, and technical chaos. No wonder automation feels scary. But here's the surprising truth. Tools like N8N aren't really about coding. They're about connecting simple steps together. Everything starts with one event. Something happens. For example, a new email arrives. That's just the first dot. Next, you add another step. Maybe that email gets saved into a spreadsheet. Now you have a second dot. When the first dot activates, the second dot responds. Email arrives, and the spreadsheet updates automatically. In N8N, each step is just a small block. Send a message, save data, trigger another action. You place these blocks on a canvas and connect them together, dot to dot, just like a simple puzzle. Once connected, the workflow begins to flow. Information moves from step to step automatically. For example, someone fills out a form. The system records the data, sends a notification, and organizes everything instantly. What used to require many manual steps now happens on its own. One trigger creates a chain reaction. Even complex automations are built the same way, not with complicated code, but with more connected dots. The hardest part wasn't learning the tool, it was changing how we think about automation. Once you see the pattern, automation feels less like programming and more like drawing a simple map. Because in the end, N8N is surprisingly simple. It's just connecting dots and letting the system do the rest.